drugs, guns, and cash, some of the items seized during a massive drug bust in Fort St. John on September 9th. After an 18-month-long investigation, the Fort St. John RCMP drug section executed search warrants at 5 residences in Fort St. John and 1 in Taylor. During the bust, 12 adults and 3 youth were arrested and taken into custody. RCMP seized over 1 kilogram of cocaine, 1 kilogram of marijuana, and a small amount of fentanyl, a powerful synthetic opiate similar to morphine, though much more powerful and more potent than heroin. The RCMP believe that this investigation is going to have an impact on the safety of Fort St. John.
The people who were arrested have connections to organized crime units out of the Lower Mainland, and it's a significant amount of drugs that are taken off the streets of Fort St. John, as well as the cash that has come from this and other seized items. There was vehicles seized as well. That's going to impact the drug organization, both in the Lower Mainland and in Fort St. John.
Acclaimed Mayor Lori Ackerman says that targeting drug activity in the city is going to be one of the main priorities for the next council.
The reality is that there is a lot of work that can be done up here, a lot of legal work that is not going to find you in jail, work that is going to enable you to have a very good lifestyle. And so this really is not required. City Council is determined that drugs will be a main issue that we will focus on, and we will not let up.
She says the city is grateful for the work being done by the RCMP, who also recently made another bust, finding over $30,000 worth of fentanyl and crack cocaine in a hidden compartment of a vehicle.
And we're starting to see more technically advanced things like this coming from organized crime groups as well, where they're hiding items in vehicles and weapons and things like that.
Shelke says places like Fort St. John, where there is so much money being made in the community, the selling and trafficking of drugs is a big issue, and they will continue to try combating the problem. Leah Murray, CJDC TV News, Fort St. John.